Hey guys, this is Fundom on Wanchopagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday. Tando catch Shira trying to lift Mira dress while Mira is sleeping. Tando chastises Shira for her incense and suspicious. Pagate relays Mzwandile of his debt. Mzwandile says bye to Kanyo. While Lindiwe finally found clever Adam mistress Tuesday, Zetulele and Sbongile are blissful in each other's arms as Kulego makes a playing for CEO. Kanyo and Mzwandile finally have their longest waiting moment. Wednesday, Zetulele announced his relationship with Sbongile Tumandlovu while Lindiwe and Lindo come face to face at the harbor and a bit down in shores. Tando tells Shira that Mira is fake her pregnancy. Zetulele and Sbongile hit someone with his car. Testing. Slindile is lost and depressed. She calls Mzwandile, but he is in bed with Kanyo. As Zetulele drives Bongile home, he runs Lindile over and kills her. Friday, Mzwandile goes to force Lindile and is eventually called to identify her body at the mortuary. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.